Jai Srimanarayana. 17th sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Yamasya Jagato Mata Dhata Pitamaha Vedyam Pavitram Onkaraha Ruksama Yejurevacha Om. Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that I am your father, I am your mother, I am your grandfather, I am your great grandfather, I am the root of entire of your dynasty and Vamsam, not only to you but also to each and every entity in this entire universe. I am the one who can be worshipped through all the Vedas. I am Omkaram. Listen to me carefully and connect to me and enjoy care from me, enjoy love from me, enjoy every aspect from me. Take it serious. This is how Krishna Paramatma is really speaking to every one of us. We cannot enjoy, we cannot experience more than this kind of direct speaking of direct speech of Sri Krishna Paramatma. My dear devotees, enjoy Krishna Paramatma's eternal companionship, eternal care, eternal love, eternal every possible emotional connection from Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma on this auspicious day. Tell him that Krishna, I surrender to you. Krishna, I shall not cry. Krishna, I realize you are my father. Oh Krishna, I realize you are mother. Oh Krishna, I realize you are the root for every of my love and care and everything. Oh Krishna, I shall enjoy you through all the Vedic rituals and Vedic all kind of activities. I shall enjoy you while chanting Omkaram. Krishna, please protect me. Please take care of me. Krishna, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 93rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Trunavarta, in the form of that tornado, he has taken Balakrishna and went into the space. But because Krishna became so heavy, Trinavarta was not able to carry him anymore and go forward anymore, and also cannot leave him anymore, because Krishna held the throat of Trinavarta very tightly. Then Trinavarta started realizing that this child is not an ordinary child. Because Krishna held the throat very tightly, he was unable to speak up. Nirgatalochanaha avyaktaravaha nyapatat saha balaha vyasirvraje medabigiyan pattukoni digabadiyadi balakuni cheta parvata nibhunchen విడివడి జాలక వాడు ఊరిబడి బెగడెడు ఖగము భంగి భయమున్ పొందెన్. Trinavarta was unable to breathe, and as and how a small bird got hanged and totally getting shaken entire body, just like that Trinavarta is shaking, hitting his hands and legs. After some time he was not even able to move his hands and legs. Then slowly his eyes came out. Because Krishna held very tightly, eyeballs came out and he lost his pranam. He died. And then along with that Chinni Krishna, Balakrishna, Trinavarta fell on the floor from the space. What happened next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. कृष्णे नामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं. हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 9th chapter 17th श्लोक. पिताहमस्य जगतो माता धाता पितामहः. वेद्यं पवित्रमोङ्कारः ऋक्सामयजुरेव च. पिताहमस्य जगतो माता धाता पितामहः. वेद्यं पवित्रमोङ्कारः ऋक्सामयजुरेव च. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.